This conference will now be recorded.
Whereas you can go for truncate and delete. Truncate will faster. Truncate command will work faster. Why? Truncate cannot check any condition, what kind of data is there in the table, or there is no condition need to be validated. Truncate means remove all the data in the table. At single click, you can remove all the data from the table. Okay, we are remove entire data from the table. There is no condition to validate, right? There is no condition to validate. Whereas you are going to be delete command. Delete we are running based on condition where my department number is 20, then remove that 20th record, department number 20 record. So delete need to be validate all the rows of data in the table where department number is 20, then remove it. Where department number is 20, then remove it. It need to validate each and every row in the table. That's why delete will go for run slower than truncate. Okay. Delete function need to be validate that particular depart where we have the department number 20. Each and every department number field, it need to be checked that it's a 10 or 20, 10 or 20, 30, which department it is. Where you can find the 20, that particular record we need to be deleted, right? We cannot put all the 20th record in one place, right? It should be in somewhere in the list of that. One it in one place, one it in 100 place, one it in 200 place in the rows. So it need to be validate each and every row and delete that part record. That's why delete will take time. Truncate can remove all the data irrespective of any condition. There is no condition to be checked. All the data, remove it, whatever the data you have it. So that's why truncate is faster. Clear that? Which is the faster, truncate or delete? Any questions related? Clear? Truncate and delete, it is very important question. And if you are not saying that confidently, you are rejected, because that's a basic fundamental. If you are not confident at that answer, why they can go for choose you? Okay, the fundamentals we should be very strong, and the answer should be very confident. Okay, once you are saying that confidence, you should be Ramban. Okay. Okay, let's see that a few questions. Next 15 minutes, we can see that list of questions. Then we can go with a Tableau. All right, so let me go for new query. So here mostly we are going to be cover that sub query today. What is the sub query? What is the sub query in SQL? Query within a query is called sub query. Okay, query within a query is called a sub query. Okay, you can write a query within a another query. That's we can call it as a sub query. Clear? Query within a subquery is query within a query is called as subquery. So let's go for see that how we can write these subqueries, and what is the necessity of writing the subqueries. Okay, and find that query list. I have it here. Opening that SQL questions file. Okay, what we have written from I think it's from 17th. List of employees of department number 20 whose jobs are same as department number 10. List the employees of department number 20. List the employees of department number 20 whose jobs are same as department number 20, 10. Okay, what it means? What it means? What it means? Can anyone guess?
Unique department number.
Yeah, we need to get that job actually. So list the employee of department number. List the employees. Okay, we need to get the list of the employees. Okay, those are belongs to department 20. First point is we need to get that department number 20 employees. Let me get it. Select star from EMP where DEPT number is equal to 20. Okay, list the employees department number 20. Right. So let me go for execute this query. We are getting 20th department number employees. Okay, list the employees who are belongs to department number 20. So select the star from employees. All the employees I wanted. That's why I'm writing select star here. And where department number is 20, I want to get only department number 20 employees. That's why in where condition I'm filtering department number 20. Okay. So the department number 20 employees, these are all guys, right? So these people job should be matched with who are the employees are there in the department number 10. Okay. The jobs for the 20th department are these all. So which jobs are matching with department number 10? Only those employees I want to get it. Only those employees I want to get it. Okay, let me write for that here. I can write select star from EMP where DEPT number is equal to 10. Can I write this way? So 10th department, I am checking that who are employees are there in department number 10. Can we see that? So three members are there in department 10, manager, president and clerk. Manager, president and clerk. So what they are asking is the jobs are same in the department number 10. సో 20th డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ఎవరికైతే ఈ జాబ్స్ ఉన్నాయో వాళ్ళనే తీసుకురండి bring them only into output in 20th department who has the jobs of these three only display them. Let's check that who are there. Manager, president and clerk. Is there any guys there in the department number 20? Manager is there. Two clerks are there. Totally how many records we want to get it? Three records need to be get into output. So how we can get it? Okay, how we can get it? So what I will do is simple. I'm taking this out. I want to check with the jobs in the department number 10, right? Who are the employees are having the jobs in the department number 10? Only those guys I want to get it. So that's why what I'm taking is only select the job from EMP where department number is 10. Okay, so what are the different types of jobs are there in the department number 10? I am taking that. Okay, just execute it. Three: manager, president and clerk, right? Three jobs are there in the department number 10. So what I will do, this part I can take it as a inner query. Okay, I can take it as a inner query. Okay, I can keep it is like this. So now what is I wanted? I want to get that list of employees who are belongs to department number 20. First question, first condition, select star from EMP where DEPT number is equal to 20, right? And what we need to be check it, and and job should be matched with department number 10, right? So and job in job in this internal condition, what are the query we are writing here, that should be matched with job in. Okay, and job in internal query. So the query which we are getting, select job from the EMP where department number is 10. It will give that distinct jobs in the department number 10. Same jobs I want to display in my department number 20 employees who are belongs to department number 20 it's the same jobs. So if you run this query, clerk, manager, clerk we are getting. Okay, try to understand the two conditions. First condition we are writing select star from MP where department number 20. I want to show that employees from the department number 20. Okay, and what I'm saying that who jobs are in the department number 20, who jobs are same as department number 10. Okay, so టూ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి సిమిలర్ జాబ్స్ ఎవరైతే చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళని తీసుకురావాలి 20th డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో హూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ద సిమిలర్ జాబ్ ఇన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ 10 వాళ్ళని తీసుకురావాలి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ 10లో ఇఫ్ యూ గో విత్ ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ 10 who are doing the different types of jobs is clerk, manager and president, something we have it. Okay, in department number 10. So I can go for check those using this query select jobs from the where department number is 10. We have the three different types of jobs are there: manager, president and clerk. So I can take it as a inner query. So this is the one query I am writing. In part of that there is a inner query. For the condition I am using job in select job from EMP where department number is 10. Okay, it will give that a list of jobs in the department number 10. I am checking only those jobs I want to get into the department number 20. Okay, you can write it like this. Which is the inner query is the inner query will execute first. It will give the list of jobs here, and those jobs are matching with the department number 20. We can get displayed. Okay, we can get displayed. So next question. Can anyone can tell me that query for this list of the employees whose salary is same as Ford or Smith in descending order of sal. List of the employees whose salary is same as Ford and Smith. So 10 members are there in the organization. So whose salaries was matching with a particular employee, Srinivas. So whose salaries are similar with same with Srinivas salary, only show them. Okay, only show them. Hmm. First, what we can do is we can find the salary of these guys. What is the salary of this? Okay, how we can get the salary of those two guys? Select sal from EMP where e name kada e name in e name in Ford Smith. So are we getting that salary of these two guys? So let me go for see that. What is the salary of these two guys? 803,000. 803,000 of these two guys salary. Now what I want to get it? I want to bring that. Who are the other employees can have the same salary? Who are the other employees can have the same salary? Right. So can I take this as a inner query? I can take it as a inner query. Okay. Before that inner query, I can put where condition where salary in these two. Okay, salary in what are the salary we are getting here? Okay, we are getting salary inner query is 803,000. So where salary is equal to salary, whereas multiple rows we can put it in. We have the single output, then equal to we can put it here. Okay, anyhow we are getting two results, right? 803,000. You can put in operator. Okay, single means equal to you can put it. So where sal is in this one, and I want to write a select statement. Select star from EMP where salary in select sal from EMP where ename in Ford and Smith. Can I run this query? Can you see that? Anyhow, we are getting that Ford and Smith as well as Scott, whose salary is matching with 3,000. This guy's salary is matching with that, right? Is it clear? So, any questions on these two queries? It's very important, guys. You need to be right. There's many questions. Okay, is it clear? Inner query means query within a query. We can call it as inner query. So we can write the queries like this. Okay, we can write a queries. We can use it as a output. Okay, here. So very regular question people will ask you. It is not there in the list I am giving. How can you find the second highest cell? How to get display the second highest cell from table? Okay, they will ask you this question. How we can get that second highest cell? Now anyone can tell me that how we can get the second highest cell? Anyone can tell me how to get the second highest cell? So generally we have the select star from EMP. I can write a query like this, select star from EMP. Execute it. So what is the highest cell in this? 5000 is the highest cell, right? 5000 is the highest cell. What is the second highest cell? 3000. 3000 is the second highest cell, right? Two records are there. 3000 is the second highest cell. So how can we get the 3000 as a output? I want to get the 3000 as a output. So first what we do is I can find that which is the max cell. Okay, max of cell from table. Select max of cell from table. Sorry, EMP, right? So what it will return? It will return the max cell from the table. 5000 is the max cell. So if I put it, this query output is 5000. You can put less than here. What happens? Cell less than this query. Cell less than this query. I can put it. So select max of sal from the table. We have it 5000. If I put sal less than this, I can get which are the salaries are less than 5000. We can get it. Okay, which are the salaries are less than 5000. We can get it or not. Among those other than 5000, which are the salaries are there below that we can get it. From that list, I want to find the max cell. From that list, I want to find the max cell. That is the second highest cell. So what I can write it here? Select again max cell of again max cell from EMP where sal is equal to where sal is less than this query. This is part of query you need to put into the in part of it in brackets. Clear this? Any questions? No, just ask me if you are not clear, just tell me, don't hesitate it because it's very important. So all the queries depends upon this knowledge. So sub query is very important. Okay, you need to be clearly understand it. If it is confusing or it's not clear, I will explain it again. Okay, clear guys? So first we are identifying that
Clear,
which is the
clear.
max cell from the table. So that giving and sal less than that we are specifying. So other than max cell, which are the salary records are there, those will be get into the list. From that list, I'm identifying that max cell. From that list, I'm identifying the max cell. So let me run this query. 3000. Clear this. So now you can write a question. They will ask you that, so how to write a second ISL? You can able to write this query or not? I will ask you next after 2 3 classes. You need to be write same query. Okay, this is the way we can go for identify the second ISL. This is the way we can go for identify the second ISL. And next question. List of employees whose jobs are same as Miller or salary is more than Allen. So list of the employees whose jobs are same as Miller. So what is the Miller job role? Who are the employees are there in the same job role? I want to be identified. Who are the employees are working on the same job role? I want to be identified. And or condition or salary is more than Allen. So who was the employee's salary is more than Allen salary? I want to be identified. Okay. So can anyone guess the query for it? So we can go for list of the employees. This is a final output list of employees. I want to get it. Whose jobs are same as Miller. First, I want to identify that. What is a Miller job, right? So what is the query to identify the Miller job? Tell me anyone. What is a Miller job? Select job from EMP where E name is equal to Miller. So it will get that. What is the job of the Miller, right? Clerk. Okay, I want to identify the all the clerks. And one more condition I want it. Salary is greater than LN salary. Salary should be greater than of the LN salary. So how can I get that query? Can anyone tell me that query for it? Select sal from EMP where E name equal to LN. What is the LN salary? We can get it from this query, right? 16,000. Is it clear? So now I want to write a actual condition. I need to be satisfied these two conditions and bring the output of it. So here I can put it as a one bracket. Okay, this is also I can put it in another bracket. So now I want to get the list of employees, right? Select star from EMP where where job equal to Miller job, right? This one I can take this part. Okay, I can write it again. Please mute it. Someone is in unmute. Miller. I want to get that job is match with Miller, or we have the condition called as or salary is more than ln. Okay, I can put it or again sal is greater than sal is greater than one more query we can write it select sal from mp where ename equal to ln. Okay, is it clear? Very simple way. It's like I am explaining that very simple method. So if you are not clear, I can try to explain it another way. Just tell me that if it is clearly understandable. Otherwise, I can go for another method. Okay. So can we run this query? We are getting that job of Miller. Why we are getting all this? Select star from MP where job is equal to select job from MP where name is Miller or salary is greater than ln. Yeah. So what is the ln salary? We have it. What is the ln salary? So let me run this. What is the salary of ln we are getting? 1600, right? Okay. So then why we are getting these many records? Select salary from MP where name is ln. More than 1600 records we are getting. 950 also we are getting, right? What's wrong? List of the employees whose jobs are same as Miller or salary is more than ln. Salary is more than ln. ln salary. It's greater than only, right? Sal greater than. What's wrong we are doing? We're getting correct only, right? Query was correct. So why it's getting wrong? Let me put it here. Less than we are getting correct, right? Miller job is clerk. So we are getting the clerks, right? And less than ln salary. Salary less than ln means Ellen salary is 1600. We are getting less than that. Then why it's not working for greater than? 7 records are there. Make it a greater than. Execute it. 10 records we are getting. Above 60. Okay, got it. So these are clerks. Who are the clerks are there? Those are matching with Miller. So their salaries are 1100, 950 and 1300 who are less than 1600, and this guy also 800. Remaining all manager, analyst and president whose salaries are greater than 1600. What's the result is getting correct? So first one is Miller is a clerk, right? We need to bring the all the clerk information. So or means any one of the condition is satisfied, we can get all. Okay, clerks are getting those salaries are less than 1600. Okay, even we don't validate that less than 1600 or not. And means it will validate both the condition. Or means anyone's condition satisfied, we can get it. So clerks we are getting anyhow here, and other than clerks who are there, those salaries are greater than 1600. The salary of Ellen more than salary of Ellen. Okay, so that's why this data is correct. Clear this? What is meant? Clerk means the condition. First condition, I want to check that. Select the who are the clerks are there. I want to get all the clerks. Okay, and at the same time, salaries of the Ellen salary more than whose salaries are greater than Ellen. I want to get 1600 above. Okay, so if I go with this, the job clerk, the clerk have that salary is less than 1600 also we can get it. Okay, the clerk salaries are very low, so that's why we are getting all the records over there. So both conditions it will go for check that. Both or means, you know that or means any condition satisfied, then we can get it output. And means both the conditions need to be satisfied. So that's why the clerk who are there, those are all getting based on Miller condition. Miller job is clerk. That's why all the clerks we are getting. And other than that, LN whose salaries are greater than LN means, so other than clerks, all the salaries are greater than 1600. Okay, so that's the result is correct. Clear this? Any questions? So I want to get it.
Sir, doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, we can use distinct for clerk now, sir. That means job.
Hmm. Hmm.
We can use distinct. Distinct of
This is
job.
job
No, no, sir.
distinct only,
We can
but
use for
employ different clerks there. Different clerks
okay.
are there. Employee name
Uh,
Smith is a clerk, and again Adams is a clerk. James is a clerk. Miller is a clerk. So we can get all the employees who are clerks. I want to get all the
okay.
employees details who are clerks. Miller is clerk who are
Yeah,
doing
for
same
that
job with other
have to use distinct now, sir.
not required. Why distinct? If it is Smith is repeating anywhere, no, right? Then you can
No.
mention a distinct. One employee can have the I mean to say that different employees can work the same job, right? Two managers would be
Mm.
there. There is a different clerks are there, and different analysts are there. Scott is analyst and Ford is also analyst. I want to display that not distinct jobs. If you want to go for display the distinct job, you can put a distinct. I want to display the employees who are working as a clerk and whose salaries are greater than LN salary. I want to display all the employees.
Yeah, we want
Okay.
only clerk now, sir. We want only clerk now, sir.
We want only not only clerk and whose salary is greater than LN salary also we want it. If you want
Uh,
only clerk, if you want to only clerk, simple. This condition is not required, right? You can go for write this. The employees only clerk you can get it.
okay.
Okay. These are the clerks. Miller job is a clerk. That's why we are getting all the employees who are working as a clerk. But what is our condition is clerk as well as whose salaries are or salary is greater than ln salary, whose salary is greater than ln salary also I want to get it. That's why first I am finding that what is the salary of the ln, what is the salary of ln, and salary is greater than that condition I am applying, salary is greater than that. So we can get that whose salaries are. Suppose I can go for remove this one. Just for your understanding, I am removing it. Control X. Now, if you run this question, now run this query. So the salaries are greater than ln salary is the output. Execute it. You can see the salaries are more than 16,000, 1600. The salaries are more than 1600. One combination will get all the clerks. Another combination we can get it all the salaries greater than 1600.
100. Okay.
When you put or condition here, when you put or condition here, both will be get into the output. Okay,
Okay.
so here
Okay.
you need to write it. Got it, Janardhan? Janardhan Kumar,
Yes,
clear?
sir. Sir.
Salary is
Got it.
greater than Miller, right? That's why we can get both the combinations. Although, okay, what happened here? Salary is greater than salary of not Miller, Ford, not Miller, Ford actually. Ford only, right? What is our question? Okay, I'm writing salary two times. It is a job actually. You need to be suggest me, right? Here it is also job. I need to take the job. Okay, this is we need to be write it. We can get that job is as a clerks and whose salaries are greater than 1600. Clear? It is it clear? Any questions? So work on the rest of the queries. Okay, work on the rest of the queries. If you have any doubts, we discuss in tomorrow. So we can go for Tableau. Okay, so we are discussing about the filters, right? So we have a data like this, right? I want to get display the top 10 subcategories in my visualization. I want to get only top 10. How we can get the top 10 subcategories? Subcategory drag into filter shelf. We have a top option by field, mention top 10 by sales, sum of sales. Apply. Okay. We can get the top 10 subcategories here. Okay. Rename this field. Top 10 subcategories. Okay. So when it is completed, here we have that new feature with the colorings. Okay, you can go for define with some colors with of that particular sheet. Okay, blue, red, yellow, brown, green, tail. I want to put a green because it's completed. Green is complete. Red means there is a alert mark kind of thing. Okay, I can put it. Go for next sheet. I want to display that. Someone make it ready. Who want to be tell this? Subcategory I have it. Sales. Okay. I want to get display this. Uh, top 10 subcategories based on profit. I want to get that top 10 subcategories based on profit. Tell me. Top 10 subcategories based on profit I want to get displayed.
You can drag the profit into filters.
You can drag the
Subcategory
profit into filters. Let's see what happens. It will ask that sum, all values are average. If I select the sum, it will ask the range of values. Which range you want to get displayed. I want to get that top 10 subcategories based on profit. Drag the subcategory into filter shelf.
top. Use top
Go for
tab.
top
Select by field. Uh,
by field.
Mention file.
Other than sales, here you need to select the profit.
Profit.
Okay.
Above file.
So
Top
I
tab.
want to display the sales values only, but the sales values, the top 10 sales value based on profit. The top 10 is calculating based on profit. Okay. So the top 10 sum of profit. Apply. Okay. Can you see that? 16,000. Salary is 16,000, but it's there in the top 10 because profit is more than profit is high. Just display the profit here in the tooltip. Tooltip means when you put your mouse over here, what are the pop-up window is getting? That's a tooltip. I want to display the profit in the tooltip. Drag into tooltip. Now see the profit of these envelopes. 6,000. Profit is 6,988. 34,000. Okay. So these are the top 10 subcategories based on profit.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you repeat it, sir?
Yeah, sure. Top 10 subcategories based on profit. So same, try to understand it. So I'm removing this filter. See the envelope sales is 16,000, where it would be 16,000. Envelope sales is 16,000. Envelope sales is 16,000, right? And at the same time, you can drag the profit also into columns. Profit also into columns. So this tables, the table sales is 2 lakhs, but it's showing loss. There is no profit. They are in negative value, right? Is it there in the top 10? Is it there in the top 10?
No, sir.
No.
No, because it's a negative value. Similarly, you can see this. The sales of that copiers is 1 lakh 50. Sales is high, but they're not booking the profits. Okay, it's a negative value. Then it is not also fall under the top 10. No, it's not fall. Okay, who are generating the profits? Only those will be fall into the profit. Okay, go for sorting here. Now you can see that the paper sales is 79,000, but they are generating the highest profit. Okay, 34,000 something profit. Okay, so these are the top 10 profit generated subcategories. That's why the envelopes is falling under the top 10 subcategories. So how we are doing that? How we are doing that? Just go for drag the subcategory into filter shelf and go for top by field. So I need to be select the profit here. The top 10 I want to be calculated based on profit. Apply. Okay. But here we are showing in visualization we are showing that sales values, but top 10 calculation is based on profit. Clear this? Any questions? Color you can put it yellow. Clear? Is it clear? Any questions?
Clear.
Yeah, so a number of filters you can apply it here. What are the filters you want to drag into filter shelf and filter the data? For make it filtering the data in the visualization, if I want to make it more dynamic, if I want to make it more dynamic, I can go for use the quick filters. I can go for use the quick filters. So how I can go for show that quick filter? Can you please put on mute? Someone is on unmute. My voice is getting back to me. Okay, thank you. So how I can go for show that quick filters? So generally, what are the filter you can apply it? That filter until unless only that particular sheet. The filter can be applied to only that particular sheet level. Okay, the standard normal filter we can say that the filter we can apply to only this particular sheet level. When you go for new sheet, the filter cannot be shown it. We need to drag the elements, right? The filters only for that particular sheet level. This is also only that particular sheet level. When I want to go for show that quick filters, so subcategory wise sales I have it, subcategory wise sales I have it. So I want to show category wise, I can go for show filter and category. Show filter, there is option called as show filter. A right mouse on the field, the more options, go for it and click on show filter. When you click on show filter, the values in the category you can see it here, and which category you can select it, which category we can select it, only the related subcategories shown in the visualization. Only the related subcategories can be shown in the visualization. Okay, this is called a quick filter. This is called a quick filter. Okay, we are giving that option to the end user can choose the values, which category related subcategories he want to see in the visualization. If I want to get all the subcategories related to category, you can select all. Only furniture related, I want to see that. Select the furniture. Only furniture related subcategories we can get it. I want to see only office supplies. Select office supplies related subcategories. Select only technology. Technology related subcategories you can get in the visualization. Okay, combination. I can select office supplies and technologies. You can get office supplies and technology related data in the visualization. Okay, this is quick filter. This is called a quick filter. Okay, clear this? What is a quick filter? So for any field, you can make it as a quick filter. So right mouse on it, show filter means quick filter. You can get that filter into here. Okay, subcategory. Which subcategories you can select it? Only those can be shown in this visualization. Okay, so if I select furniture, furniture related, all the categories related data we can getting displayed here. Right? Next. So I want to get display that subcategory wise sales. These are the subcategory wise sales. Okay, these are the subcategory wise sales. I want to display that the subcategories whose profit range between 20 to 30,000. The profit giving subcategories range is 20 to 30,000. Who are the subcategories are giving the profit between 20 to 30,000? I want to display only those subcategories and sales information. Got my question? Profit between subcategories generating profit between 20 to 30 Ks. So how I can get those subcategory and sales information here?
Select profit and drag it into filter shelf.
Drag the profit into filter shelf. Select the sum.
Select sum. Next,
Okay.
profit
So here you can select it.
type range 20,000, 30,000.
That's all. Only chairs and storages are generating the profit between 20 to 30,000. You can drag the profit into tooltip. You can see what is the exact value of profit. 21,000 and profit is 27,000. Clear? So if I want to apply colors to this too, just drag the subcategory into color shelf. We can get the two different colors. Okay, go for next sheet. So I want to go for subcategory wise sales. So descending order. Anytime the best methodology is you can put the data in either descending or ascending order. Okay. What happens is the person easily recognizes which is the highest sales one and which is the lowest sales one. Who are performing better, who are performing not better. We can go for make it as ascending and descending, any one of the order. Okay. So this is the value. So whenever you want to represent different color for these values, when you go for represent in a bar chart, the best method is you can go for drag the sales into color shelf, give the gradient color, give the gradient color. Okay, so where sales is less, that was in a light blue color. Where sales is getting increasing, automatically the color of the bar is thick blue color, right? Changing. So if you want to change this color format, double click on this legend, color legend, and go for select it. My best one is red and green. Suppose I want to go for red and green. Where sales is less in red color, where sales is getting increases, automatically it becoming white to green color. Okay, this is the way we can represent it. The person who is end user easily understand that okay, this is the lowest sales and this is the highest sale. That way the color is represented in green color. Okay, so the best practice methodologies are this. When you go for represent in a bar chart, and you can go for define that color and ascending or descending order. So it will be look at Perfect. And size of the bar, if you want to increase the size of the bar, you can go for use the size option. You can increase the width of the bar and increase the width of the increase or decrease. You can do it using this size. Okay, you can keep it. So the color representation, when you go for represent in a bar chart, try to put the measure into the color shelf. Okay, when you keep it at your dimension into color shelf, you can get different colors. It's not a meaningful. Okay, all each subcategory showing different color. But better than this, if you want to put it a measure, it will show that how the sales is there. How the sales is there, it can be represented. Okay, so best practice and method is put the measure into the color shelf. Okay, that's a use of the color. That's a use of the color representation. Okay, that's you can put it. Color, the color option is there. You can give it colors for this, whatever the color you want to be applied. Nothing is there in this sheet. Did some color. Generally green, red, something we can use it because green means what are the changes you done on the particular sheet, you make it as a green. Okay, changes are completed. Red means the changes are pending or error is there in the particular report. You can define that. Okay, so that's such kind of color. So we can give it for the sheets. Okay, next. So I can go for subcategory and sales. Okay, drag the subcategory and sales. You can get that bar chart here, right? We're getting the bar chart. So here in the marks, you can see automatic. Automatic is bar chart it's showing. Okay, here we have few views are there, different types of views. Line bar is there. You can select the line. Data you can show in the line. And you can go for select the area bar, area chart. You can display the data in the area. Okay, swap it. You can see how the sales was there in that area chart. And you can go for see that squares, different squares based on those values. All right. So if I want to go for specify that here based on the sales values, I want to increase the size of the square based on the sales value. Here my sales is let me see that 95, 85, 12, 8,000 is there. 8,000 means the square will be smaller. Where I have sales is 3,38,000, the square box should be bigger. How can we get it? The size of the square boxes, I want to show the variance. Where the sales is
Select
low, it is
size. Select size.
We can drag the cells into
drag the
size
sales
option.
into size label, size marks. Okay, you can see that. So now the shape sizes are bigger and smaller. You can go for increase that. Where my sales is low, it was in small size. Where sales is high, that's in bigger size, square boxes. Okay, same you have the circle as well. You can display in circle as well. Okay, we have the circle option also. You can display in the circle as well. So you can go with here shapes, different shapes are there. What kind of shape you want it, you can choose it. From the shapes, we have different types of shapes are there. Which shape you want it, you can select it. Okay, which shape you want it, you can select it and display the data. And custom shapes, if you want to display any custom shapes also, we can bring it. Okay, how to get that custom shapes I will show you tomorrow. So what are the shape you wanted, you can bring the shapes as well, custom shapes also. What are the images you wanted? You can bring it here. Okay. So try to work on this today. We can go for see that remaining filter types and what's the different types of options we have in the show filter. Okay. Today work on this. Any questions? So you need to practice the queries, most important SQL queries. Okay. So from starting onwards, again start from here. So run these queries and again go with the rest of the queries. And what are the queries I have given yesterday? All these queries you need to be practiced. Okay, almost 30 queries we have covered it. Okay, work on all 30 queries. Every day you need to be run these 30 queries. Okay, yesterday I run it, you forgot it if you don't practice today. Okay, try to be run those queries and understand that why you are running this query, what we are getting display in the query itself. Okay, it will improve that writing query. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you everyone. We'll see.
Yes.
Just
University,
yeah,
can you please upload yesterday class and today class?
yeah. Yesterday class also I will upload it and will share with you.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.